Hey guys, what is up? So today we're going to unbox a gaming monitor. It's a Acer 24 inches and with an APS panel. As you can see right here, it's 144 hertz, but it could overclock to 165 hertz, though that's pretty good. It's got 0.5 ms response time, but it doesn't really have a 0.5 ms. I'll show you later. So we're going to unbox it and we'll see what's inside the box. So okay, this is really hard with one-handed, so I'm just gonna turn the camera off for 1 minute. So we just opened, as you guys can see. Here's the monitor, here's the base. I have to like put it on and stuff. I'll do it later. We got boring stuff, manual. I'll check that out later. And we got, this is the important part right here. We got power cable, yep, and then we got a display port. We don't have an HDMI cable, and actually that was my main problem, because I can't use it right now, so I have to wait like a week to get an HDMI cable that supports 144 hertz, which is an HDMI 2.0. So I'll have to wait. I can't do the review right now, but we'll do it. We'll do that later in the next video. Okay, let's see the monitor itself. Oh, it looks smaller than I thought, but still, it's 24 inches. So I thought it'll be bigger, but that's okay. I actually measured 24 inches, but so we got this 24 inches. Let's see the back. So this is the back of the monitor. We've got the power thing, 2 HDMIs on 1 display port. As I said before, I can't test it out today because I don't have a display port adapter, because I'm gonna connect it to a laptop, so I need an HDMI, but that's not that much of a deal. Okay, let's take the, how do I take this out? Okay, oh, that's nice. Okay, now let's find out how do we put the base on. Again, I can't do this one-handed, so you guys will have to wait 1 second. There we go. We could do it. It was easier than I thought. It took me literally 2 seconds. So all you have to do is like just put the, let me see the back. Just put like this into this, and then this into this, and that's it. It was pretty good. Now we are gonna test the thing. Yeah, it goes all the way down, as you can see, until there. Until there. Now let's see. Let's get it back up. Okay, it works. And then it's supposed. No, we can't do that here. We can't tilt it. That's weird. It's not that thin. It's like thicker than I thought, but that's okay. 24 inches, guys. There we go. I got it for like 179 USD dollars, so it wasn't that expensive, but the usual price is about up to 20 to 25, but still pretty good. So I'm gonna bring you guys another video probably next week to test it out with the monitor itself with my laptop, see how it goes. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys like the video. So yeah, bye.